How to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to ByBit. First, you want to go search for Phantom Wallet, click on it if you don't already have the extension, and we're just going to click on download for Chrome. Click on add to Chrome here, and the extension is going to appear in your puzzle piece here in the top right corner. Then we just want to click on Phantom and log into your account if you haven't already logged in. Then we just gotta select Solana here and receive. Copy this address that we have for our wallet and then open up ByBit. Here we will hover over our account and then we will select withdraw. Now from the withdrawal option, you can either choose here, or you have to type the withdrawal address, the one that we just copied from Phantom Wallet, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.